Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I really do appreciate all the likes and the thumbs up and subscribing. You guys are wonderful and you're helping this channel grow from the ground up, and I couldn't ask for more. You guys are great. And if you do like this content and you're new to the channel, please do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It really does help the channel, and it helps me keep coming at you with new watch review videos. So if you like to see watches and watch review videos, this is the place you'll want to be. I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So without further ado, let's get into this. I have received another watch. I will post a link to this in the description below, so you guys can pick one of these up if you like it. And you can also head on over to davethewatchman.com and check out some of my other reviews of my other watches that I have done. And I also have affiliate links posted there, so you guys can pick up any of these watches that you see here on Amazon through the affiliate link. And if you do decide to buy one, I would appreciate it if you do click on that affiliate link, because it does send a couple of dollars over to me and that helps out a lot. So without further ado, let's get into this. This is a Pintime watch. It is an Audemars Piguet, Audemars Piguet. I don't know if I'm saying that 100% correctly. An Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Homage watch. And guys, it is a good, solid watch. I mean, obviously, it's not an automatic. It does have a quartz movement in it, but for the price, you can't go wrong with this. I can't remember exactly what I paid for this, but I think it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $20 to $30. So you can't go wrong with this at all. Um, this watch is by Pintime. It is Pintime watch. I think it's very similar in construction to the where is it? The so many watches here. Where is it? It is very similar to this one here. The case construction anyway. Not real, not 100%, but it's got that waffle pattern on the face. But this is supposed to be the Tissot PRX homage watch. I'll also post a link to this in the description below in case you guys want to check it out too. And I did do a review on this watch already, so if you want to also check that out, you can head on over to my other my other videos. This one's by Denvosi. I do have a couple of Denvosi watches, and these are pretty decent watches for the price. So anyway, this is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak homage or clomage, whatever you want to call it. Um, I really like the watch itself. I love how they've blended the silicone strap into the case and basically made it, a flush, um, a flush transition. I really do like that. The other thing I like about it, I do like the copper color, the gold copper color. I like that a lot, especially up against the black. I think it's a really sharp looking watch, and how it's got that brushed finish. You can really see that brushed finish, almost like a wood grain looking finish. It's a very beautiful touch to the watch. Um, and if it is trying to mimic the Royal Oak, I don't know what the actual Audemars Piguet Royal Oak looks like in person. It's a $50,000 to $100,000 watch, so it's way out of the price range for this channel. Um, but if they are trying to make it look like a wood grain, if that's why they call it a Royal Oak, because they're trying to copy a wood grain, this watch kind of hits it on the mark, because this does look like something that you would, you know, like a piece of wood that you would stain, and it has that stained wood look to it, but it's obviously stainless. But yeah, once again, really great watch. Nice. I mean, it's got the date window. I would like the date window to have been a little bit larger, but I guess their idea was to kind of blend it in as opposed to make it stand out. But Other than that, really nice quality watch. I don't know if it's water resistant. I don't know what the water resistance capability is, if any. And there's no laser etching on the back, so it doesn't really say anything about the watch on the back. But other than that, I think it's a really sharp looking watch, and comfortable to wear also. You know, with the silicone strap, it really does fit the wrist nicely. It's heavy. It's a heavy watch, but not too heavy. It's got some weight to it, but it fits very nicely. I mean, this is something you could wear with a suit. You could wear this with t-shirt and jeans. You're gonna look great with this watch, no matter what you're wearing it with. It is a really sharp, classy looking watch, with really nice the really nice copper toned features on it. I think it's a win, especially for the price. I'm going to post a link to this in the description below. Like I said, I think it was somewhere in the $20 range, and you can't beat that for $20. I mean, like I said, it's not trying to be an Audemars Piguet. That's a $40,000-$50,000 watch. This one's $20. It's not a clone. It's not a fake. It's not a counterfeit. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just stylistically imitating the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak watch. So, with that said, I mean, if you guys like the watch, like I said, I'm going to post a link in the description below. And if you do like this content, please do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because it really does help out the channel. And like I said, I really do appreciate all of you guys believing in the content and making this channel happen for me. I'm about, let's see, I started it back in February. So March, April, May, in another 2 weeks, it'll be 3 months. So I'm about 2.5 months into it right now, and I think it's doing great. So once again, like I said, if you like it, please give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll come at you with more watch review videos. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And head on over to themselves.To and take a look at some of my other watches. Until the next watch review video, I will see you guys, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.